Good afternoon. My name is Amber Patterson. I'm the Chief Procurement Officer here at the town of Barnstable. We are here today for the bid opening for the FY25 three-year contract for granular activated carbon replacement services. Today is Wednesday, December 18th, and it is 12:02. The bid due line was today before noon. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. All right, so you should now be able to see my bonfire screen. And you can see we are in the project. We're going to go down to submissions. And it looks like we received one submission from Carbon Activated Corporation. It was submitted December 17th at 4:34 p.m. So now we'll go under requested information, and I am going to unseal all the documents in real time. You can see as I unseal each one, there is a timestamp. All right, so now we will go back down to our submission. And we can open up that general bid form. All right, so once more, this is from Carbon Activated Corporation. They acknowledged Addendum 1. The total amount of the bid is $1,975,600. The contractor certifies that they have 27 years of experience. Everything is signed and included. Here's the addendum. All right. Next, we're going to take a look at that required combined certificate for tax and non-compliance and tax and non-collusion, and that is signed and included. And then again, we have that bid table. I can pull that up quickly just to show the pricing. Okay, so for item 1, the price is listed at $39,900, and that is $1.95, and that's unit price is dollars per pound. For item 2, the unit price dollars per pound is 84 cents for a total cost of $403,200. For item 3, the unit price dollar per pound is $1.70. That total cost would be $204,000. For item 4, we have the unit price dollar per pound at $2.03 for a total of $40,600. For item 5, we have the unit price dollars per pound at 84 cents for a total of $403,200. Item 6 is listed at the unit price dollars per pound is $1.75 for a total cost of $210,000. Item 7, unit price dollars per pound is $2.10 for a total cost of $42,000. For item 8, unit price dollars per pound is 87 cents for a total cost of $417,600. Item 9, unit price dollars per pound is $1.80 for a total cost of $216,000. And again, that grand total of $1,975,600, which is 1,975,600.00. So that concludes today's bid opening. This bid is going to be under review and the results will be posted on Bonfire. Thank you for those who joined us today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly, either by phone or email. Thank you.